I don't wanna burn the kitchen down.
I'm Tarriona Tank Ball, lead singer of Tank and the Bangas. Grammy nominated, never duplicated, poet, singer, writer, author, but not too much of a cooker. So I'm gonna need some help with that today.
I'm Tia Henry, chef and restaurant owner here in New Orleans, Louisiana. I'm gonna be in the kitchen teaching Tank to cook today.
In my life every day, everything isn't so easy, especially right now. And I need new things to keep me going, keep me interested. So I needed something to get my creative juices flowing. So I'm gonna learn cooking today. Out on the road, I'm always trying different foods, but I wanna be the one to cook it myself this time. I'm super excited about it and very nervous. Everything is so special about New Orleans, especially the food. I mean, it's the food capital of the world. I go all over, but still, I always miss that good home cooking. My mom has been doing it for me for years, but now it's my turn, and the pressure's on. Hey, Chef Tia!
Hey, Tank, so glad to finally see you.
I'm so excited to meet you. I am on my way to you very soon. Tia, how long have you been doing this?
So I've been a restaurateur and owner of Cafe Dauphine for 9 years now. Before opening the restaurant, I had absolutely no culinary experience. I'm just a home taught chef, learned from my mom and my grandparents. So just like I learned, I'm gonna teach you the ropes too.
So you mean to tell me that I too can become like Chef Tia, since I have no cooking experience?
Anything is possible, girl, let me tell you.
That is so amazing. I'm so excited to meet you.
So you ready to go?
I am definitely ready to go. I am in the Lincoln Corsair. It has 4G Wi-Fi, keeps me connected on the go, so I'm on my way. Every time you add something different to what you already do well, it kind of creates a different mindset, a different focus, a different creative energy and angle that you want to attack whatever you're doing in your life. That's what I'm really hoping this cooking class can do for me. Just add a little more fire underneath my stove.
Welcome to the kitchen today. I'm so excited to be teaching you to cook. So how are you feeling about this cooking class?
I don't wanna burn the kitchen down. That's exactly how I feel. I mean, Tia, I'm not like you. I can't do this. I'm really nervous, but I'm more excited than nervous.
What I'm gonna be teaching you how to cook today is gonna seem complicated. Your family and friends are gonna be so impressed, but it comes together very simple. We're gonna jump right into our dish that we're preparing today. We're gonna fry a soft shell crab, and we're gonna put that on top of a pasta with the white wine cream sauce with roasted garlic, tomatoes, and spinach.
Tia, what do you love about cooking?
The most rewarding part about cooking and being a chef and having a restaurant is, I think, just the aspect of bringing people together, the impact that food has on people, that, you know, food can just kind of lift you up if you're in a bad mood. Food can inspire you. You know, food just kind of makes you feel better.
Dang, you sound like you do what I do. You know, you're like, it brings people together, that's a festival. Makes people feel well, that's a concert. If I didn't know any better, I would think that you were talking about going to a Tank and the Bangas concert. You know, I'm basically...
And the best part about it is to see people's reaction whenever they take in your craft and they love what you're doing just as much as you love it. That's the best part of it for me. So we're doing the basics starting off, boiling water. Everybody can boil water, right?
Why? You sure? Let me see, is my water boiling? It's boiling.
So you get an A+ in boiling the water.
Well, I like to start off with a good grade.
We're gonna begin by boiling our fettuccine. While our pasta is boiling, let's prepare our vegetables. So we wanna slice our cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes work well, the red onion, and we have garlic that we have to chop up here too. In the next step of our recipe, Tank, we're gonna saute our onions and garlic to begin our white wine cream sauce for the pasta.
It's Kind of got a nice little sound to it.
Music and cooking to me, I mean, it's such a creative experience, and I believe it's very soothing, very calming, thought-provoking.
Learning as I go on this show.
I get to express myself in new ways, discover new flavors that's bold. It's kind of just like writing a song. It's a process, and I'm all there for it.
So we're all set up to start frying our soft shell crab. So let's check our oil to make sure that it's nice and hot and ready. I'm just gonna take a little pinch of my seafood breading. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little cornmeal in there, and you see how that's kind of sizzling? That's letting me know that my...
Sizzle it, baby.
Go ahead, baby.
I love it. I'm Sizzle Babe.
So when we put this crab in the oil, we wanna make sure that we have the shell side down.
The defining
Claws
moment.
first.
Ooh, we sizzling. Ooh, we sizzling.
We're gonna add our tomatoes. We have 1/4 of white wine, and we're gonna add that to our vegetable mixture. And we're just gonna let that cook a few minutes and let that wine reduce. And so after your wine has about reduced by half, you can see that the gravy looks a little thickened in there. Then you'll be ready to add your heavy whipping cream to that. It's now time to plate up this beautiful pasta. And for our final step, we're gonna take this beautiful, crispy fried soft shell crab and put it right there on top of that pasta. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, Tank.
I'm a chef, yo.
Girl. So you ready to dig in and take a taste?
It's really good.
Soft shell crabs, I would have never imagined making anything like that. And Chef Tia told me I did a good job, and I know I did because I tasted it myself.
It's good.
Can you believe that you made this meal your own?
I can only believe I made this meal on my own because you are next to me.
Oh, you did a phenomenal job. Well, I'm glad you were able to step outside of your comfort zone and try something different.
My band will be very happy to know that I'm gonna be a little more open to things that I was a little scared or prejudged.
And wait till you cook this dish for them. They're gonna be blown away.
Well, I just want to thank you so much for teaching me how to make
You're so welcome.
this amazing meal.
Anytime. I look forward to the next time.
This experience definitely taught me that I can do anything. I can do absolutely anything that I set my mind to and I open my heart to. But today, I really learned something that I'm gonna keep probably forever and incorporate in my daily life and in my music. And that's to take chances on myself.